Now, we have officially started the project management with Primavera Basics 4-in-1 package course. This is section 2. Have a look at the content. At first stage, you will understand what are unit of measurements used in construction sector and how you will convert FPS system to SI system and SI system to FPS system online on Google. At second stage, you will understand coordinate system, which is 2D and 3D, how it is developed. Then at third stage, a new technology has arrived, which is called BIM, a new way to produce drawings, including design. BIM stands for Building Information Modeling. It is way different than previous products on which drawings were produced. At fourth stage, the same company has produced two different products. One is AutoCAD and one is Revit. The scope of Revit has way more authority. Different types of drawings are required to start and complete the project with different types of views. All of those things will be discussed in drawing section. At sixth stage, you will know what are different components of building and how they are constructed step by step. At last section, you will finally know some basic terms used during building construction by client, contractor and consultant. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive in.